Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be meal prepping for the next couple of days, and it's only going to be one meal, so come on with me guys. Now normally I only have one nice size meal a day. Sometimes I will reach out for two, but I'm trying to hang on to the one and then maybe a snack earlier in the day, so I am cutting back. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. That's myself, Jean Home Decor and More, and Jennifer at Home. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use the cold cuts that I have to make two small little sandwiches for one of my meals. Now this is for the meal or two that I might need some extra food in addition to what I'm getting ready to serve over there. And these are the containers that I'm using. So these turn out to be a great find if you can buy them at a Sam's Club or BJ's, wherever it is you guys shop, Costco maybe. I still have this humongous package of these containers, and I absolutely love them. They're by Ziploc and they work great. So let's go ahead and I'm using the leftover cold cuts to make two small sandwiches. Okay, I am not going to be putting condiments on it. You can add condiments on the side or add condiments when you're ready to eat, okay? So this is like a roasted turkey. And I have one more slice left, so I may as well go ahead and make one sandwich with an extra one of these. Then I have some salami left, so. Now I'm not used to meal prepping, but so this is gonna work out really good for me. Sometimes I will meal prep, other times I don't. I'm trying to be strict right now with the amount of food that I take in. So I'm just gonna put one slice of salami here because it has the extra slice of turkey. And then this way, it's easy for me to figure out what I've eaten in a day if I do it this way. So I'm really gonna try hard to get into the habit of meal prepping because this will help me, like I said, with my calories. I am gonna add a slice of cheese, and we are not doing condiments until we're ready to eat this. So I'm gonna put one slice of American cheese because that's what I have right now, okay? And then I'm just going to close those off. Now let me see if I can get some Ziplocs. All right, I'm gonna make do with what I have because we don't have Ziplocs. So we're improvising today, guys. So I'm gonna grab one of these black containers and place the sandwich on the one side. Okay. This will make two extra, maybe lunch type meals. I am gonna put, let's see. I am gonna add some nuts on the side, and I love chips, guys, so even though I gotta cut down on the chips, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cashews. Cashews on the side. Now these containers do not have compartments, and that's okay with me. Okay, so I have a little bit of cashews and a little bit of chips. And now, okay, so this will help me to keep track of what I'm eating if I decide to reach out for a lunch. So I only made two, all right? ahead and set up 3 meals for the next 5 days. So let me go grab another one because I only have 2 here, and then we'll go ahead and meal prep my main meal. Okay, so as I showed you before, we have 2 extra little small sandwiches over there with some nuts and some chips. And then now, this is what I'm gonna be eating, and I'm gonna try to also alter the time that I eat. So we wanna definitely eat our last meal, or me, before 6 p.m. and no snacking. Besides what I'm having in those 2 containers, we're not snacking. So this will make it easy for me to jot down what it is that I'm eating. So I made some steamed rice. I have a little bit of fish here, and we have some black Mexican beans with cheese. So, okay. Okay, so we have 3 of these. So those 3 small spoons, guys. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I did this in the wrong order, so we're gonna switch this around because I don't have as much fish as I would like. So now I'm gonna pour some of these beans on top. These beans, by the way, came out absolutely delicious. So they're black homemade beans, and they do have cheese. I did the Mexican style, so 3 spoons of these. Okay, let me get a napkin. Okay. Then I made some fish. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of fish right here on the side, and this is 1 meal. It's not delicious. Doesn't that look delicious? Now again, this will be easier to get the macros from, and all I have to do is grab and microwave. All right. Then we'll move on to the next one, and all of them will have the same, pretty much the same measurement. So we have 3 spoons of the white rice. This is long grain, extra long grain. 2, 3. Okay. Then we have some black beans. So 3 white rice. Oh, I made a mess here. 3 white rice and 3 beans. 3 scoops of the beans. Now, I'm going to be also adjusting. I'm just starting, so it's kind of like I'm using what I have in the fridge, but I am going to be adjusting this to low carb. So in the future, I will not be using rice or beans right away. Okay, I'm going to be keeping this low carb, and so that will also help me not only to adjust my eating and get the macros and stuff like that, but it will also help me with losing weight and balancing my blood sugar. So let's go over here and just do a small piece of fish. I didn't have very much. I know in total what I had. So just put a little bit of that and we are good. We have a small little piece left. All right, so that is number 2. One, 2, and 3. And then I'm gonna put the last of this fish. Okay, so that wasn't very much fish, but I'm gonna make a protein item and I might add that. So that is okay. I'm gonna leave it at that. All right, I'm just starting here, so I have to get adjusted to all of this. I was meal prepping way back, but now I'm gonna start again. So if we come on over here, let me show you what I got. So we have 2 meals. Outside of these 2 meals, I'm not going to be eating anything after 6, see? And it just makes it so much easier. You're kind of staying away from the lettuce right now. So we have 3 of the dinners and 2 what I call emergency emergency lunches, depending on how hungry I get. And these are so good, guys. This will be the sandwich and the chips and the nuts. So that is how I'm meal prepping for this week. I'll see how this goes. So this will get better because it'll be 5 days of meals. If I don't need to have the lunch, then it'll be 1 meal a day. But we're gonna start out with 2 emergency sandwiches and then 3 of these, and then I'll worry about the next meal prep. Guys, you can meal prep in any container that you would like to meal prep, whatever it is you'd like to meal prep, depending on your diet or how, you know, what types of things you want to eat or what types of things you can eat. You can adjust this. You can also use the bento boxes, guys. So I have the smaller ones, so I didn't want to use that. So I use these containers, and these containers for me work out great. So I hope this gave you some inspiration, guys, on how you can use even leftovers to adjust your meal. Also will help with what time you eat your meal, and so this way we don't overeat, and that's what my goal is. And it just works out easy. If you have a busy day, if you are working till late, the last thing you want to do is to come home and cook and you're tired. It's so much easier to do it this way. And again, I wish I could have had more for you, more ideas, but I hope this gave you some inspiration. I hope you like the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.